how to buy HYPERFY token. So this token came under the symbol of hyper. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Discord, they include it on their X too. Now this token is available on the screen as you can see. And this token came under the Solana network. If you notice here that this token increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token ID from here, open your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. After that, as you can see, so this is our token, the HYPERFY. Just click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, wait a few seconds and you will see how much you will receive. After that, say the provider, for example, Jupiter or Plus Radium, as you can see. Just click on it. After that, make sure to read all of that information and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy HYPERFY token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.